Part 11 of Chapter 4. Jalal's father, Baha Velid, had a disciple who for some reason gave offense to Shamsuddin. The latter, in punishment, inflicted of deafness on both the disciples' ears. After a time, Shams pardoned the offender and restored his hearing. But the man bore him a grudge in his heart nevertheless. One day Shams said to him, "Friend, I have pardoned thee, wherefore art thou still cast down? Be comforted." Notwithstanding this, his rancor remained. One day, however, he met Shams in the midst of a market. Suddenly he felt a new faith glow within him, and he shouted out, "There is no God save God. Shamsuddin is the apostle of God." The market people on this raised a great hubbub and wished to kill him. True or not, exaggeration or not, that's, not the right response if you don't agree with something said. One of them came forward to cut him down, but Shams uttered so terrific a shout that the man at once fell down dead. The rest of the market people bowed and submitted. Shams now took the disciple by the hand and led him away, remarking to him, "My good friend, my name is Muhammad." Thou should have shouted, "Muhammad is the apostle of God. The rebel will not take gold that is not coined." And as we've seen here, things are not quite as they seem, but well, I mean, his name, part of his name was that, but it's more about he's manifesting the teachings of Muhammad. It's not that he's literally reincarnated Muhammad or whatever